How to deactivate TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate TikTok account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu that appears, just select settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and select the account option. And now here in this section, you'll see the option labeled as deactivate or delete at the bottom, so just tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just select deactivate account. And after that, on the next page, you can just tap on deactivate button. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you have to confirm your action by entering the code sent to your mail. So here, just enter the code, and once you're done entering it, you can just tap on deactivate account button and your TikTok account will be deactivated after that. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.